Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, the Pleiadians wanted to chat with us about our resistance to being human. As they scan our collective energy, they see that a lot of us are kind of done with it. Done with being on Earth, done with being human, done with the entire Earth game. So the P's wanted to chat with us a little bit about this in today's video. But before we dive into talking about this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. Now, are you someone who can relate to this? Feeling a little over it, a little done with Earth, with being human, with this whole 3D game? As you might imagine, this whole topic came up because I was feeling like this. And so the P's had to come in and give me a little pep talk. Help me find a little perspective on this. So I have been feeling lately a little done with all of it, just kind of over it. And so what the P's had to share with me helped me to shift my perspective on this a bit. So what they told me when I was wallowing in this feeling a bit was to help me understand that when I am feeling a lot of resistance to being here, being human, the whole Earth game, what I'm actually doing is resisting my present. I am pushing against it. I'm making it wrong. I'm making it bad. I'm making it unwanted. And whenever we push against something, as the P's like to remind us, what happens? We glue it to ourselves. So what happens when we are getting very frustrated with where we are, what we're seeing on the planet? The more we are pushing against it, the more we are keeping ourselves there because we are invalidating it. We are making it wrong. We're putting judgment on it. And a lot of times we don't mean to do that. We are just preferring something else that hasn't happened yet. But what can happen is that a lot of us have developed a lot of resistance just to being human. We're kind of tired of the whole game. We are over it. We've seen it. We've done it. And we're ready to move on. And so what the P's wanted us to understand is that the quickest way to move on from something, to make another creative choice, is to accept where we are. If we are pushing against it, essentially we haven't learned the lesson because everything is about realizing that everything is our creation. And so if we are pushing against our creation, then we are resisting it. We are keeping ourselves in a fight with it, a struggle with it, which just keeps it active. So what the P's offered me as an alternative is to encourage me to just make peace with it, to pull the present world into my heart and send it love. And as y'all know, this is their favorite tool, their go-to tool. And as we do this, as we make peace with the present, we have integrated the energy. Once we integrate the energy of something, we release it from our experience. But we can't release it if we are fighting against it. It's like, imagine you're trying to hand someone a pen, but you won't let go of it. They can't actually take it from you because you are resisting them. You are still pulling on it. And our reality is kind of the same way. If we are pushing against where we are, if we are hating it, hating on the 3D world, as we love to do in the spiritual community, we are keeping ourselves there. We are keeping the energy activated because we're fighting it. We're invalidating it. So if we are ready to release something, we have to release it in love. We can't release it through struggle. And how do we do that? You pull it into your heart. As you do that, you are accepting it and you are returning it to the energy of love, bringing it into the heart. As you do that, you integrate the energy and it can be released from your experience. You've let go of the pen. So the P's wanted to help us understand this simple point because they see that so many light workers and starseeds are frustrated. We are just tired of the struggle. We are tired of working so hard. We are tired of watching the craziness around us. We're just kind of done. And that's fine. We can always make a new creative decision. But to do that, we have to get into neutrality. If we're pushing against it, we're hating it, we're sick of it, we're not. neutral. So one thing they encourage us, if you are one of the many who is feeling over it, feeling a little sick of the Earth game at this point, the easiest way to release it and move on is to pull it into your heart, to accept where you are, to make peace with it, to get neutral with it, because as we do, we don't need the reflection of it anymore. You let go of the pen. So that is what the P's wanted to share with us in today's POV. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.